Hola amigos, hola amigas, welcome, bienvenido, croeso y salam. Got a quick video for you guys today. So this is my Tineco floor washer, as you can see, which I do really love, and I've used it all the time and every day. Now, unfortunately, the clean water tank had an issue, and if I take it off, I've butchered it. Let me explain. So inside there, if you see those two little plastic nubbins either side, you can see that one of them broke off. That came away, and that meant that the water was just flooding out. So I managed to use some like long nosed tweezers and everything and glued it back in, but then it was still leaking and it popped off. So then I butchered it by making a hole in it so I could just fill it up with water. And I'd re-glued that back in, but it's leaking profusely and it floods out and everything. So I was like sugar cubes. So I was on Temu. I thought I'd have a look for one, and I did, and I found one for £14 plus delivery, which made it £17. So I got the whole replacement part for it. I've only just taken it out of the packaging. That you can see inside, nice and new. It looks identical. I haven't even tested it or tried it or anything yet. It's brand new. So let's have a look. Ooh, make sure that's long. And there we go. I now have a new clean water tank for it. On Temu, you can find the replacement clean water tank, dirty water tank, all the gizzards and filters and brush rolls and everything in there on Temu. So let me get it filled up with some water. It actually fits in nicer than the other one ever did. Strange. Let's fill it up with some water and solution, and let's give it a go. Got it in there with some Dettol and a little splash of Flash, like I normally like, in warm water. You can hear rabid Pomeranians in the background. You'll probably see them. Excellent. With puppies, I'm using that every day, and I'm also using this every day, multiple times. Let's give it a go. Good. So it comes through. So I paid for this myself, by the way. I was not sponsored by Temu or anything, but that's where I saw the replacement parts for it. The mop does a lot of that with two dogs, especially two puppies. There's a lot of vacuuming on red, lots of fluff bunnies. Millie, watch your bum. Millie, Millie, move. Quick, quick, move. Quick. Luckily, they're not very phased by this. I've been using these machines since they first got here, so they're not really phased with the noise anymore. Right, I hope you're not chewing something you shouldn't be chewing. What are you chewing? What is he chewing? What are you chewing? What have you got? Let me see. Drop. Drop. No. Give it to Daddy. A bit of plastic. There we go. Nice. Terrors. Look, you've got so many chew things here to play with, and duckies and squishies and roadies and Millie. Go and play with them. No, I'd rather play with a tag that I found on the floor, Daddy. Got a new dog gate. So far, so good. I wish the tanks would stay clear like that, but they don't. It's the same with old Dysons or any Dyson. The tank container goes cloudy. Right, I just heard one of them by the back door. They went a wee, hang on. Right, we're back. A little bit of polystyrene that they were eating earlier, a little smorgasbord. So there we go. The clean water tank works. That is nice and clear, not dripping. Well, it is dripping because it's been touching in the water, but not pouring out like the other one was. And yeah, all that for 17 quid, all the way from China, delivered. I mean, I didn't even look at the Tineco website. I had a look on eBay, I had a look on Amazon, couldn't find it. And then I was looking for something on Temu, and I was just like, oh, let me have a look and see if they got that there randomly. And they did. You can buy that separate, or you can buy the brush roll, you can buy the whole thing, you can buy the filters inside, you can buy everything for it, any that you need. So I'm gonna get myself another spare one of those and a spare one of them as well, just in case they go funny in the future as well. And but I've got spare brush rolls and stuff, so I don't need to do that. So there we go, very quick one for you guys today. I'm still using it. Like I said, I'm using it all the time with puppies. Whilst this one wasn't working, it's been about a month. I've been using the Karcher one, but now I'll use the Karcher one upstairs on the bathrooms and stuff in the upstairs. And I'll come back to using this and the mop because I've got puppies. I need to immediately go and mop up wheeze and stuff, so any accidents. So that's why the mop is the most useful for puppies. So there we go, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye, y'all.